Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I just wanted to come on today and talk to all of you guys who are current customers of mine. If you are already a customer with Integro, if you're purchasing Flourish Probiotic, then I wanted to give you a heads up and let you know that you can actually earn a free bottle if you simply share your story. So I'm going to walk you through two ways to do that. I'm going to have everything linked so you guys don't have to worry about that. You don't need to go looking for it. It's going to be completely accessible to you. So there's two ways to do it, and I'm going to have both links. So I'm going to go the long way first, and then I'm going to give you the short link. So if you are on the home page, which is right here, mallory.integrohealth.com/shop, you go to home. So then the site would just be mallory.integrohealth.com. And then what you would do is you would scroll all the way down on this page. My computer is taking a minute to load things. And you will get to right here, and it says share your story to receive a free bottle of Flourish Probiotic. You can click on that, and when you click directly on it, all you're going to do is you're going to fill out your name, you're going to fill out your email, and you're going to share your story. You are going to hit submit. That's it. And once you do that, customer service will get back to you. They will ask you what formula you'd like, whether you would like the adult version or you'd like the junior version. You'll give them that information. You will give them your mailing address, and they will get that shipped out to you right away. Again, you have to be a current customer. So this is a wonderful way if, let's say, the budget is tight this month and you're needing another supply of your Flourish. This would be a way that you could then supply yourself for the next month or however long it takes you to get through a bottle without having to spend any money, right? So that's number one. Number two is that honestly, the goal is to just share the story. It's to help spread the word and get this product into as many people's hands as we can, because we know that this is an incredible product. It's helping so many of us across the board, whether it's with better energy levels, better sleep, weight loss, clear skin, all those things. I mean, you can see right now I have no makeup on except for lipstick whatsoever, and my skin for me is looking really good. I'm really happy with it. So I'm living proof of that. So if you're catching this video, you are not yet a customer, you have questions, feel free to reach out to me. So I have my email, which I'm going to list down below, which is flourishing@MalloryMcClellan.com. Then we have our website to Integro, which I will link. I will link directly where you share your story to make it really simple for you. And then we have the Facebook group, Flourishing with Mallory, in addition to the Instagram account, Flourishing with Mallory. So all that information is going to be down below. You'll be able to click on those links. You'll be able to access it, and it will be super easy and super simple. If you are a new customer, you're looking to try, reach out to me. Let's talk about it. In addition to you getting the product, if you shop with me, I will also do a 10-minute appointment with you where we can muscle test and tune into what the dose is, where you should start, and if there's anything else that intuitively will pop up, like other supplements or other things that you may need in addition to Flourish. So that is something else that you get only if you shop with me. So like I said, if you have questions, if you're curious, feel free to reach out. I'm more than happy to answer any of your questions. I hope that this sums up how to get to this point. I hope that I've answered maybe some of your questions. I hope that this is pretty cut and dry, and if it's not, just give me a shout out. Let me know that so I could simplify things for you. Hit subscribe. I hope that you guys have a beautiful day, and I will talk to everyone soon. Bye.